your military people should shoot the terrorists,
The terrorists.
not the children,
You're right.
not the women.
We really do all what we can not to hurt the citizens. For example, these days, actually today,
You kill more than 70,000 civilians.
No,
There are
it's not-
more than
no, this is not-
there are more
this is
than the
not-
terrorists.
this is-
My solution is that go to the UN, work with the UN, and agree the two-state solution to establish a state of Palestine. Then you have two states, and you can work together
This war-
with the Palestinians together to fight against the terrorists. If you do not work with the Palestinians together, you can never win the war over terrorism.
no, but this specific war will end when the terror organization will release all our soldiers and will give up his weapon because you can't.